Eco Clean Queen here. Thanks for clicking on this video. In my YouTube channel, I teach people how to clean using eco-friendly cleaning methods. In this video, I will talk about 5 cleaning products that you should never mix. Actually, 2 of these products you shouldn't even have in your home. I'll tell you about other cleaning products that are safer for you, your loved ones, and your environment. In this channel, I will teach you how to dilute products, and I want to make sure that you're diluting them safely. You're not mixing the wrong things. These can cause respiratory problems, skin irritations, eye irritations, and they can be very harmful to your health. So let's get into it. First, we'll start with bleach and ammonia. This combination creates chloramine gas, which is highly toxic. It can cause irritations to your eyes, your throat, your skin. It can give you breathing problems. Do not combine these 2 together. The next 2 cleaning products are bleach and vinegar. When you combine bleach and vinegar, it creates a solution called chlorine gas, which is also very toxic to your health. It can cause eye, skin irritations, breathing problems. Also, bleach and rubbing alcohol, you should never mix them. They create a solution called chloroform, which is highly toxic, again, harmful for your skin, your eyes, and breathing problems. 2 other cleaning products you don't want to mix is hydrogen peroxide and vinegar. It creates parasitic acid. Both of these products I love using in cleaning, but I'm extremely careful not to mix them together. In my last cleaning videos, I mixed baking soda and vinegar, and this is kind of when I was starting out on my all eco-friendly journey and learning about these things, and I found that together what they create is fizz. Yeah, that's it. It's just fizz. It's not really a cleaning agent, because when you're using vinegar, which is an acid, and baking soda, which is a base, and you combine them together, they cancel each other out, and then the cleaning effects of them both don't work. So it's basically just creating like a salty residue afterwards. If you just eliminate bleach and ammonia, you're going to have a much more safer experience in your home with dealing with cleaning products. I suggest that you steer away from it, because you might have a little bit of the residue of the bleach on, let's say, a toilet, and then later you might do a touch-up clean with some vinegar, and you're mixing that and you don't even realize it. So it's just better not to have these things at home. And if you need a bleach alternative, you can just use hydrogen peroxide. It works awesome. One thing you can mix is hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. So if you're doing a load of laundry and you want whiter whites, use hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. So try that. So take care of your skin, your eyes, the air you breathe, the water you drink, and the planet you live on. Let's make this world a cleaner place. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. You can also give me a like if you like this video. You can tap the notification bell too to be notified of the very next video. Take care.